Y'all, I caved. I caved to the hype. Hey friends, I am back and I am back with a really fun video that I am very excited about. I caved to the Telfar hype and I want to do an unboxing. I literally just went and picked it up from my friend's house and here it is, and I'm really excited. But first, before we get into anything, I just want to talk about the customer service, okay? Yesterday, the bag dropped at 12 noon. Yesterday, August 11th. It is Wednesday, August 12th at 6:38 p.m. and I have my bag. So I know they ship from New York. I live in Maryland, but like still, that's nuts to me that I literally ordered this 20 something hours ago and I have it. Like that's nuts. So, okay, quick background and then I'm going to open it. I was not really hip to Telfar. I had seen everything about it on Twitter and like Instagram, and my best friend was actually telling me about it probably a month ago at this point. And I looked at the bags and I was like, oh, okay, like they're cute and it's Black owned. We love to see a Black fashion designer getting his things and being recognized and like all this hype surrounding his product. Like, that's great. It was one of those things I kind of stuck a pin in, like, okay, I'll get one, at some point, because I was in the market for a new like everyday purse. And typically I'm like a Kate Spade, Tory Burch, like Marc Jacobs type. But even lately I haven't been buying those. I've been getting a lot of my purses from like Aldo because they have some really cute stuff in there. And right now, like, we're not going anywhere. So I was just kind of like not pressed. But then it happened. I had my birthday brunch at my house in my backyard. My best friend came over with her Telfar bag, and one of my other friends came over with her Telfar bag. They had gold and black, and I was just like, that's really, 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 really cute. Mind you, this was on a Saturday. This was this past Saturday. And I'm like, dang, those are really cute. So Sunday, I'm like texting my best friend. I'm like, dang, I want to Telfar now. I shouldn't have seen yours. It's all y'all's fault or whatever. So I was looking and I was like, I really want the gray or the tan or the like blush pink. So then Monday evening, I got an email. I went on, I signed up for their email list and followed them on Instagram. I got an email that said they were restocking the small red, the medium tan, and the large black. And I was like, I can get a tan. So I have a ton of black purses. I refuse to buy any more. Gray is the one that I wanted the most. So maybe the next time they drop, I might get the small gray. But I have been looking for like an everyday tan bag and I'm really, really excited. So I'm going to stop wrapping and I'm going to open it because I'm really, really hyped. Got my scissors. I'm excited, guys. It's just crazy like that it got here literally this quick. Like, oh, y'all, what if I'm not trying to cut myself? What I'm giving? What I'm giving y'all? Give it a try. Excited. Okay, so first upon opening, I see the small packing list with what I got. Medium tan shopping bag. And I see it's in a pretty dust bag, so it's literally folded up. It has the Telfar logo right here. Excited, so excited. It's like a kid in a candy store. Okay, I haven't bought a new purse, like a legit purse in a while. So I'm excited. I deserve every bit of this. And it's still my birthday. Like, this is my birthday gift to myself. Whatever. I don't care if you're not going nowhere. Okay, so it's in the dust bag. I see the straps. Oh, guys. I'm like loving it. She's beautiful. She's gorge. Oh my goodness. So, okay, my first impression of this is that it feels really nice. So this medium tan bag was $202, like literally even. Also, I really do have to shout out my best friend for this because we were both on the site. She was like, okay, I'm gonna try to help you out. And she's one of those people that like can always get things when they release, concert tickets, shoes, bags, clothes, whatever. Like she's the type that always gets it. So she was like, I'm gonna get on too. I was on my phone and my computer. She was on her phone and her computer. And when I tell you, she literally FaceTimed me at 12:01 talking about it was done. And what was funny was the timestamp. She texted me, but I put my phone on do not disturb so nothing would like get in the way of me trying to order that bag. She texted me at 12 on the dot and was like done. And so when she forwarded me the order confirmation email, it had 12:00.50. So like, yeah, it wasn't even 12:01 when she was done. So I need to shout her out because my joint was just spinning and spinning and spinning. But yes, guys, I love this. Is the perfect size. Like I'm the friend that I don't do well with small bags. So like when we're out somewhere, people be like, "Oh, can I put this in your bag? Can I put this in your bag?" Because I always carry the bigger bag, and it's always like, "Oh, do you have this? Do you have a charger? Do you have medicine? Do you have lotion? Do you have hand like all this stuff?" It's me, friends, and I'm really excited because like low key, whenever we do go back to work, I could take this to work. I don't know if I will, but I could. And I'm really excited. Okay, so let's cut this off to see like what the strap is giving. So excited. Okay, so I love that it's two straps. It feels really good. It feels like really good. It feels like this is durable, and I'm very rough on purses, so I'm excited. Okay, so open it, and we have the Telfar label here. We have a pocket back here, and I always, every purse I own, I can guarantee you my phone charger is going here, my AirPods, my portable charger is always going back here. And this is like, so what I carry in my purse on like a regular day, I'm giving umbrella. I carry an umbrella every day, all day, year round. Like I don't play that. So like my umbrella is like this. Matter of fact, let me just show y'all the stuff I carry. Let's just see. So like things I carry is like an umbrella. I always carry an umbrella year round, all day, every day. I do not play that. I carry a small wallet, a makeup bag, like a toiletry bag. I carry a brush when my hair is not braided. From what I'm gathering, I am absolutely in love with this. This is perfect. Like, and I love that it's not stiff because I have a tan purse that's it's probably given like half or whatever. It's a little bit more wide, but it's not as tall. It's probably like this. And I thought I could fit a lot of stuff in there, and like I can if I'm not trying to be extra, but it's just a really stiff bag, which makes it hard for me to like carry it every day. So like the fact that this is so like it's sturdy but it's not stiff, and I love that. I probably can't give this because I carry too much stuff, so I probably will be giving like long strap. I'll probably carry it and like, oh y'all, what I'm giving. So like I love it. But I'm a teacher, so I'm like, this could even be helpful for me when we do go back to work. Maneuvering the hallways with like my things, folders. I don't know that I'll like be carrying a laptop, but like even if I carry like my work like Chromebook or something like that, my iPad or whatever, like I think that this is really, really cute. So first impressions, I'm a fan. I'm like absolutely in love with this bag. I love like just the look of the logo. I think that it is really good quality. I can't wait to wear it. I'm just like, oh, I want to go somewhere and I want to wear this. Like, Telfar me, please. But I'm excited. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah. So we will see as I wear it, but right now I don't foresee any issues with it. I love the size. I love like that it's sturdy, but I love that it doesn't have like the thing at the bottom. So yes, so if you have a Telfar, if you're thinking about getting one, let me know in the comments below. But my first impression is I am very impressed. I love the fact that this is a Black fashion designer who is now all of this hype is surrounding his bag, and I'm just really excited. I love to support a Black owned business. I love the quality and I love the customer service. Like, I literally ordered this yesterday, y'all, like, and it's here. So I love that. So yes, I am thrilled. So if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, share, all those good things. Meanwhile, I'm just going to be sitting here and petting my back. Talk to you in my next video.